Good morning. Welcome back to my garden here at Lemons and Larkspur. Today I'm going to do a little bit of work in my vegetable patch. And now when I say my vegetable patch, it is literally a patch on the side yard of our house. It's actually a series of 5 raised bed planters. They're galvanized. They are called vintage planters, and I purchased them because I like the way they look and I wanted something that was durable and something that I didn't have to ask my husband to build. He's busy enough. He has built me many planters in our married life, and I just wanted to get these done, but I wanted them to look cute. And so today I am going to put in my pepper plants. I'm going to stake up some tomato plants that I already had, and I'm going to freshen up my strawberry patch. I am kind of in a quandary as to what exactly I feel led to share with you, what you want to see for me. I know it's the garden because that is my passion and that's where I'm drawn to, and that's what I just can't wait to share. I actually bubble over with excitement for anyone who wants to hear about my garden. I love the rest of it, but this just seems to ignite my passion. And if I am going to do this and visit with you, I gotta do what I'm passionate about, and it is the garden. I'm not saying that I'll never go in the house and show you what's going on. In fact, I have a garden party planned in a couple of weeks, and I will definitely show you all of that. But for me to share with you consistently, I think it's the garden. It's what I love. It's where I just feel like I'm supposed to be. So given that, I am not thinking that you want me to teach you how to garden. I think that I just want to inspire you to garden, whether it's beautiful flowers, growing a few vegetables, and to encourage you that you don't need a whole lot of space. You just need to be creative. You just need to use your imagination. You need to see every vessel that can hold soil as a planter and work with that. So that said, if you want to see something different, please let me know in the comments. But I'm just going to go with what I'm feeling right now. So today, like I said, we're headed over to my vegetable section. This is not a tour. I will bring you a tour of it next week. This is just a cleanup and planting a few new things. So with that, I want to thank you for giving me so much encouragement on my last video. I did something and accidentally turned the comments off for a while, but they're back on. I don't know. I am not the most technical person in the world. I really just figure my way through this. So the comments are back on, so please leave me a comment. Let me know what else I can share with you. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, or if you have any questions about what I'm growing, I would love to share that with you. But right now I'm just want to inspire you to grow something. Being outside is the best way to clear your head, to connect with God, and to just like recenter yourself with all the goodness that there is in this world. And heaven knows we need all the encouragement we can get. So let's go ahead and head over to my vegetable side yard, and I'll show you what I'm doing today. Okay, this is the galvanized planter that my peppers are going to go into. Right now I have some winter vegetables in here. I still have some radishes, planted some carrots, and there are also here some sugar snap peas, snow peas that are still growing. I also stuck some corn in here, so like I said, I get everything I can into whatever area that I have. I am going to try to fit as many pepper plants in here as I can, knowing that in another month or so the radishes will all be gone. The carrots will eventually be harvested. Oh yeah, I also have some onions in here. I will show you the entire bed once I plant these peppers up. But I try to plant things in succession by what season they're going to grow best in, obviously. So the peppers take a while to mature. By the time they start growing and need more space, I will have harvested the cool season stuff, but I need to get them in the ground and I only have so much space. So that's what I'm going to do today. I have mostly green peppers because that's what we use. Bell peppers, I have green ones and purple ones and orange ones just because I like pretty things. But I also have one jalapeno. I don't know if I'm going to plant it in here or in a different raised bed planter that I have. Jalapenos mostly I use for salsa. We're not a huge heat loving family, so I think that'll be enough. I may buy another one. We'll see. So let me just go ahead and get this planted, and then I will show you how it looks and exactly what I can fit into this galvanized planter, which is 2x4. So let me get planting. Here's the pepper bed all planted up, and like I said, it is 2x4 and I think 22 inches high. I'll have to check that for you. But in this bed, I have the last of the radishes coming up. I have some sugar snap peas, and I believe this is a pink variety. And then I was able to get the 5 pepper plants. You'll see I did leave as many of the carrots undisturbed as I can, and it's a little late for carrots here in zone 9, but we will give it a try. I also have my cucumber seedlings. I have 4 of them in here. I have 2 on each side, and they will grow up this trellis, which is actually from Lowe's. I believe it's rebar for, I don't know, like making fences or reinforcing concrete, but it was bendable. It is steel, and it fits this bed perfectly. It's 1 7-foot piece. So I'd love to have cattle panels, don't have room. It's a great alternative. Be creative, think outside the box. Sometimes things will not work, sometimes they will. So you never know until you try.